Advantages of artificial intelligence, AI, in 2023. To become successful in any kind of business, all you need is accurate collection of data, easy processing, adequate analytics, which further forms the backbone of decision-making and is required for vital insights. And hence, eventually the significance of artificial intelligence comes into the picture, which plays a very vital role in segregating these huge datasets into useful and accurate pieces of information, which makes human lives much easier. Key benefits of artificial intelligence, AI. Reducing human error. Automates repetitive tasks and processes. Smoothly handles big data. Facilitates quick decision-making. AI-enabled digital assistance. Helps in addressing routine and simple customer queries. Performs risky and perilous tasks efficiently. Helps in improving processes and workflows. AI helps companies to work more efficiently, enhances productivity, and increases revenues. Assist in medical applications. AI assists in complex treatment procedures such as radiosurgery. Full-time availability. AI systems are programmed to work for longer hours and can handle repetitive and monotonous tasks easily. Bottom line,